Are you ready to wield the power of the dark side? Meet the Darth Maul SNV4 double lightsaber, a masterfully designed saber built for fans, collectors, and duelists alike. This isn't just a toy. It's a full-featured, combat-ready lightsaber with metal hilts, smooth swing tech, and screen-accurate design, and it comes in multiple core versions, each loaded with power. Let's start with the flagship model, the SNV4 Pro. With 9 dynamic light effects, 27 sound fonts, gesture controls, and an insane 50-watt pixel blade, this saber delivers a movie-like experience right in your hands. Customize everything, from blade color and sound effects, to boot animations and clash responses. It supports SD cards, app connectivity, and even cinematic drag and force effects. Need something mid-tier? Go with the Super RGB version, offering 12 vibrant RGB colors, smooth swing, and gesture support, all powered by a 12W RGB blade. It's the perfect balance between performance and value. And for those just starting out, the Premium Baselit is your go-to. Simple, sturdy, and reliable, with 3 light effects, 16 sound fonts, and intuitive gesture control. No matter which version you choose, every saber features a full metal hilt with a hollow pommel for booming sound, and a dual-button design that feels both modern and familiar. The emitter is reinforced, fitting standard 7/8-inch blades, and you can even connect 2 hilts for that iconic Darth Maul double saber setup. No extra adapters needed. In the box, you'll get the saber, a blade plug, charging cable, display rack, and a luxury gift box with protective foam for safe storage or gifting. Whether you're cosplaying, dueling, or collecting, the Darth Maul SNV4 with the Profi, SN Pixel, or RGB core will take your Jedi or Sith experience to the next level.